Let's take a look at how to plan a cultural awareness workshop using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left, start by entering the home institution. Here, University of Edinburgh. Under duration, we've written 2 hours, including lunch. And the home country is set to United Kingdom. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once completed, click the Generate button. On the right, the AI Copilot provides a full cultural intelligence and awareness workshop. It includes objectives, timing, and engaging interactive activities like cultural mapping and networking icebreakers. The session is structured to enhance cross-cultural communication and understanding. Once the content is generated, it can be edited, exported, or copied into your program materials.